MPC minutes. Did the panel just signal a delayed growth recovery, longer rate pause? The Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) minutes released on February 22 shows that the panel largely continues to be on the same page with respect to the urgent need to support a faltering economy hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic. The MPC comments indicate that the growth recovery may take longer time than initially expected in the absence of investments and systemic stress. Further, the comments of the members suggest that the panel could continue with the current accommodative stance for a longer period to support growth. 4 brokers of ICEX under SEBI scanner for payment irregularities. Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) will launch a special audit of 4 brokers over alleged irregularities conducted in commodity derivatives contracts. The market regulator has ordered a special audit of these so-called market makers of the Indian Commodity Exchange (ICEX) Limited. 2 persons aware of the matter told Moneycontrol. The 4 broking firms have been identified as Gaja Capital Services Limited, MSBE Trade Securities, Mazempuria Securities Broking and Findoc Commodities. Bharat Biotech to come up with Phase 3 efficacy data of Covaxin in 2 weeks. Chairman Krishna Ella. Bharat Biotech on February 22 said that it will be coming up with Phase 3 efficacy data of its COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin in next 2 weeks. The Covaxin was given restricted emergency use approval under clinical trial mode by India Drug Regulator Drug Controller General of India (DCGI), without Phase 3 efficacy data. The approval was based on safety and immunogenicity data of Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials, and of the hypothesis that the vaccine works on the mutant strains including UK variant. Here's why Air India, which also has Boeing 777 aircraft, doesn't need to bother about changing engine 7 as airlines world over ground much of their Boeing B777 fleet after the engine failure of an United Airlines aircraft. Air India has escaped the trouble. And that is because the national airline uses a different engine make in its 777 aircraft. Air India has 16 B777 aircraft. But the airline does not operate B777 with Pratt & Whitney engines, a senior government official told Moneycontrol. 5G, why is it the next big thing? 5G is an impossible word to escape these days. The 5th generation network, referred to as 5G, is our future mobile network and represents a big leap in performance from 4G, but not without inheriting some headaches. What is 5G? In the simplest terms, 5G is a mobile network. It's the network that powers all connectivity and communication tasks on your phone or any device that supports it. The biggest improvement is the amount of data that can be transmitted using 5G compared to 4G, which is India's current network. Base fare for auto taxi hiked by 3 rupees in Mumbai. Traveling in the Mumbai metropolitan area is set to get costlier as the base fare prices for autos and taxis in the area has been hiked by 3 rupees. Setback for Congress. Puducherry CM V. Narayanasamy resigns after his government loses trust vote. Gold rises to 46,649 rupees per 10 gm on bargain buying. Silver jumps 956 rupees a kg. Gold climbed 548 rupees to 46,649 rupees for 10 gram in the Mumbai retail market, tracking positive global cues in bargain buying. The yellow metal traded firm on the discovery of new strains of COVID-19, increasing safe haven appeal but rising U.S. Treasury yields and strong dollar capped the upside. The bullion fell to a 7-month low during last week, witnessing heavy selling on risk on sentiment. The yellow metal declined with a rise in the U.S. bond yield and strong equity indices boosted by positive economic data. Gold halted at 6